The big move in coffee and cocoa in the last 2 years has meant that you've probably got a little bit of consolidation going on.
Mm.
So I think that, but I don't, our feeling is, and certainly what we're seeing at the moment is that there are as many jobs because probably 6 months of last year, a lot of the coffee companies that might have needed to hire people or cocoa companies that needed to hire people didn't because they were too busy looking at their margin requirements. They were looking at the futures market, what's going to go on there. They were managing their counterparty risk. They were very busy, kind of working
Sure.
in the business very much. And so as soon as they get a chance to breathe, they can look on, at the more the helicopter view of their business. And so um, some of those people that needed to hire probably back in September, October time, they spoke to us maybe saying, yeah, we're looking to hire. Then nothing happened for 3 months, 4 months, and they're kind of starting to ring again now, saying, "Hey, actually, yeah, we
Mm.
really do need to hire now. Let's start this search." So we are seeing that we've become a lot busier in the grains markets in the last 3 years, 3, 4 years, and we're seeing they're pretty, particularly in the US. We're very busy in US grains. But the biggest
Mm.
trend I think in the market that I've been seeing is the Middle East. And we continue to see that now. And again, I look at it and I see um, I think they are attracting business from Hong Kong that's seeing a bit of a decline on the commodities companies,
Mm.
from Singapore, which it's more difficult to hire into Singapore now. Expats, particularly,
Oh.
it's quite a challenge. And then they're obviously their lower corporation tax is an incentive for people to move there and trade. But not just that, if you look at the Saudis, agricultural commodities, I think there's some big news item out today or yesterday of Saudi getting more involved in one of the big commodity trading companies.
Mm.
Um, and then you have Abu Dhabi with their involvement with a big one, and then you've got Dubai with their commodity center, the DMCC, which the amount of companies we were over there in the DMCC last week, and I was staggered how many grains companies, sugar, coffee, cocoa companies are now setting up there. So that's the biggest trend that I see in our markets at the moment.